Ever wonder how some drawings just pull you in? It's not magic. It's a technique that can transform your nature art from flat to phenomenal. Get ready to discover the secret to creating incredible depth and realism in your forest pass, making viewers feel like they could step right into your drawing. First, I start by drawing the horizon line and placing the vanishing point. Then, I draw the sketch lines and determine the path. I will explain how to build a forest layer by layer using atmospheric perspective. First, I establish the basic perspective rules by determining the positions of the trees. The trees in the foreground have thick trunks, while the trees in the background will appear thinner. I plant vines and shrubs between some trees so that the trees don't get tangled up with each other, and it's progressing towards a natural forest appearance. After finishing the draft, I will discuss a very important topic that you should pay attention to. As you move away from the trees, only their trunks are visible. But as you get farther away, their leaves also begin to appear. This is a pine forest with needle-like leaves. Now I'm starting to sharpen the lines with my .2 rapidograph pen. And after this stage, I'll move on to the most important part, adding texture. Now I can slowly go into detail. This is the most important point right now. Every leaf and tree texture that is close by must be sufficiently detailed. The further back the layers are, the less detail there will be. This is because the eye sees nearby objects in greater detail. The further away you look, the more blurred the colors and objects become. This rule is called atmospheric perspective. It is a method frequently used by illustrators and painters to create depth in landscapes. You can use the method I've taught you with an ink pen like mine, or if it works for you, you can create colorful works with charcoal, Chinese ink, or paints. Once you grasp the logic behind this method, your drawings will gain depth, Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and leave a comment. Goodbye.